Hi and welcome to the Oscha video tutorials. My name is Carolin and I'm a certified baby wearing consultant from Germany. So today I want to show you how to wrap a short cross carry with a long ring sling. This is the ring sling that is 3 meters from the rings on, XXL ring sling, and you can actually wrap a lot of wrapping techniques that you use normally as size 4 to with this. So we want to do this. Before we do this, this carry is mostly for babies above 2 months, so when they have had control, because you lack a middle top rail here. And you also should be aware, this is not safe for extreme leaner babies, so if they really push away, they might open up the carry, which is not safe then. Normally this is really working, and if you have both shoulders in, this should be safe, but please watch it. So we will take the rings, put it over our shoulders towards the middle of our back. And now what we want to do is make a cross pass, that's why it's called short cross carry, to the other side. And now what we want to do is take the tail and feed it from inside to outside to the whole 2 rings. This is how we do it. Perfect. Now you see the upper rail, here's the darker one. And this is what I want to do again. So what we now do is do inside out. Also take the darker one up. You see this here. And now we go over our shoulder again. This is how it's looking. And also make a second cross pass towards the ring on our back. And now we want to go from outside to inside. This is really important to go from outside to inside because it's locking our carry here, so it won't open. Perfect. What we now want to do is make a bit of room here, especially in the cross, and also see that the rings are on a comfortable height for you to carry. So we make room here for our baby, make sure that our upper rails, the dark ones, are the upper rails, and I grab the doll, and you can put the baby on the leg, on your shoulder, and put one leg through the inner pass. Switch shoulders, put one leg through the outer pass, and now it should sit in like a cross in here. Please still make sure it's here, hold by you. What we now want to do is take the upper rail over the shoulder, this is important, and also to the other knee pit. Most excess will stay in one knee pit, but to make it slack free in here, over the back of your baby, and then we will feed the extra slack already to the second pass from above. So here we go, and now we take also here the dark rail, the upper rail to the other knee pit, so the baby is sitting in a nice end position, and all the excess slack from the seat to the tail towards the ring and pull. And now we can do strand by strand tightening, and this is our carry. Baby is sitting nice and fine here, make sure it's getting air. You could also flap your shoulders away, and you have a bit of more free airway if it's needed, and support here. Perfect. And if you want to get the baby out, you will do the same. You will get rid of the tail on one side, feed a bit of slack towards the inner tail so it gets less tight, and now you can pull your baby out and onto your shoulders. That's it. Please subscribe to our Oscha channel to don't miss any new videos, and also follow the safety instructions shown at the end of this video, and of course have fun while wrapping and enjoy those moments of cuddles.